For millions of us, we first met Bill Nye on a television screen in our science classrooms. He was the engineer, educator, and science communicator who showed us that science did not have to be boring. Back in the mid-1990s, our physics teacher would regularly play episodes of a brand new show, Bill Nye the Science Guy. As students, we were watching these when they were brand new, seeing Bill explain the very same physics concepts we were learning in class. But before he was the famous guy in the lab coat, Bill Nye was actually a mechanical engineer. After graduating from Cornell University, he worked at Boeing, specifically on 747 hydraulic systems. The science guy was an engineer first. Bill didn't just tell you what happened, he showed you. From waves and electricity to magnetism, heat, biology, and space, he used hands-on demonstrations to make abstract scientific concepts visible and tangible. Bill proved that it is okay to make science fun. His show was funny, loud, fast-paced, and sometimes downright ridiculous. But underneath all that energy, the science was always real. He taught us that serious learning doesn't always have to look serious. There is a core difference between science and engineering. Science asks, how does this work? While engineering asks, what can we build with what we know? It is a cycle of observing, measuring, testing, building, failing, and improving. Science explains the world, but engineering changes it. Even after his TV show ended, Bill never stopped talking about science. He has remained a dedicated public educator, author, and advocate for climate action, space exploration, and scientific literacy. It is a reminder that science doesn't stop when the school bell rings. Bill's influence on me was profound. Years after watching his videos in my own physics class, I found myself as an educator showing those same science videos to my own students. It is funny how a classroom influence can echo for decades. You don't have to become Bill Nye, and you don't have to be an engineer to think like one. Just observe, ask questions, test your ideas, measure the results, and explain what you learned. Science is not just something you watch, it is something you do.